Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company, extremely well maintained, one owner townhome in South Brainerd. So many features including all living facilities on one level, large master suite with walk-in closet and full private bathroom, main floor laundry room, large informal dining room, deck, full unfinished basement with egress window and plumbed for third bathroom, attached garage, central air, in-ground sprinkler system, gutter system, newer furnace, newer roof and newer windows. This townhome is not part of an association. Conveniently located very close to Brainerd Medical Center. It is worth it to take a view today.